How to replace the thermal paste in a laptop. At the request of fans, today we're replacing the thermal paste on the Legion Y520 2017. Let's reduce the CPU temperature by 10.3 degrees Celsius in 6 simple steps, easily improving your laptop's performance. Tutorials for replacing and upgrading thermal paste on laptops are available in the main tutorial collection on our homepage. You can also comment with your model if you need specific guidance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Step 1. Get tools ready. Many tools are needed to replace the laptop's thermal paste. Apart from the thermal paste and thermal paste cleaning wipes, some gadgets can help you to disassemble the laptop much more easily. If you don't want to buy them separately, you can find our total solution combo in our profile. Step 2. Remove the laptop case and battery. Before you start disassembling the computer, it's highly recommended to wash your hands or wear gloves or an anti-static wristband to eliminate static electricity. Place the laptop upside down and use a PH00 screwdriver to remove the 13 screws on the bottom cover. We suggest using a magnetic mat to avoid mixing up or losing screws. Prepare a triangular pry tool and a spudger. Insert the triangular pry tool from the side of the chassis and work your way around the edges. Once inserted, gently wiggle it up and down to make removing the back cover easier. After opening the back cover, use the spudger to disconnect the power cable by pushing both sides of the connector outward. After that, press and hold the power button for 15 seconds to discharge residual power. Step 3. Remove the heatsink and old thermal paste. Unplug the cooling fan cable. Then, use a PH000 screwdriver to remove the 6 small screws on the fan and take off the fan cover. Following a diagonal pattern, gently loosen the 7 screws on the heatsink module. Use a high-quality screwdriver, such as the Kooling Monster Combo 01, and apply vertical pressure to prevent stripping the screws. Remove the heatsink shield. Slowly and evenly lift both sides of the heatsink with both hands to detach it. To clean the old thermal paste more efficiently, we recommend using Kooling Monster Clean 01 thermal paste cleaning wipes. If you're worried about getting your hands dirty, you can use the disposable gloves included in our kit. Here you can see, the thermal paste on the processor has dried up after years of use, reducing its cooling efficiency. It needs timely replacement. Make sure to clean off the remaining thermal paste from the cooling module. Step 4. Clean the fan. We then clean the dust using an anti-static brush and compressed air. Gently brush the fan blades and heatsink module. Then use compressed air. Remember to spray at a slight distance to prevent liquid discharge. Compressed air helps clean fine details and greatly improves cleaning efficiency. Don't forget to clean the inside of the bottom cover as well. Step 5. Apply thermal paste. Here we used Kooling Monster Cold 01 High Performance Thermal Paste. Apply an appropriate amount of thermal paste on the surfaces of the CPU and GPU. After applying the thermal paste, you can use the spatula to evenly spread out the thermal paste and remove the excess. You can also use the pea-size method if you like. Step 6. Reassemble your laptop. Now reassemble everything in reverse order. Reinstall the fan, the cover, and screws. Gently place the heatsink module back. Tighten its screws diagonally to about 70% at first, then fully tighten them after all are in place to avoid uneven pressure. Reconnect the fan cable. And finally plug the power cable back into the motherboard. Press the power button to test that everything is working. Put the bottom cover back on, snap it into place, and screw it back in, mission accomplished. Follow and subscribe to Kooling Monster and let us know which laptops to demo this process with next.